Hi, you amazing sewing friends. It's me, Alice Murray, and I am so happy to see you again today. I just can't even tell you how much I appreciate all of you that watch these videos and comment on Facebook and comment in the videos. And I just really feel like I have a whole crowd of people that I'm doing this with. So thank you so much, even though I'm home in my house by myself. Well, there's some other people, but none of them sew. So I really do appreciate you. And today, what I wanted to show you this is day 95. We are 5 days away from 100. Holy moly. It almost makes a guy feel like it's possible. I don't know. So today, I want to show you new look 6554. And you might remember this from, I don't know what day it was, a long time ago. I made the pants version of this with some green sweatshirt kind of material, a green jersey knit kind of thing. And today I made this version. Let me give you a twirl. So right off the hop, what I like are the pockets. What do you do with your hands if you don't have pockets? I don't know. And I made it with this, might even be a scuba. You might call this a scuba knit. It's kind of a thick polyester knit. Has a little bit less stretch in it than what I made when I made the pants. But yeah, I think it's okay. It has a tie belt. You're supposed to add elastic in the waist, but really it fit close enough. I didn't think elastic was going to do any good. It has a crossover top. It's not a wrap top. It's crossed over and sewn like that, so that's handy. It's got just cut on sleeves, so that's handy. So it's a really quite a nice quick make, which I like quick. It's got a little slit in the hem. And I was actually thinking this might be a dress that I wear some over Christmas because you know, it isn't Christmas material, but you know, it is red, and this is a hunter green. I don't know if it looks black in the, there's a thread I need to clip. I don't know if it looks black on the video, but it's actually a hunter green with red on it. And yes, this is from the discount area of Fabricland. They have some pretty stuff in there. So yeah, and the neckline is just finished with purchased bias binding. So that's super duper easy. So yeah, it's very comfy. It's quite, I think the material makes it quite kind of dressy looking for something that's actually really casual and comfortable. So, so I think that's fun. You could wear it somewhere when you were trying to look fancy and still be comfortable. How fun is that? And yeah, so I think new look. I thought it before. I still think it. 6554 is a winner. It says it's easy, and it is. So I would recommend that pattern. And today on my Grateful thread, while I was sewing this, I was just thinking of all the things that happened today, you know, what I would talk about I was grateful for. And I was thinking about 8 o'clock this morning, I went outside and the sun was just coming up and the sky was the most beautiful shade. It was like a watercolor pink. It was just a beautiful color. And then it was such a beautiful day. Like, I don't know how warm it got, but it was so nice out. And we live here on the farm with our daughter and son-in-law and their 4 sons, and the boys got to go out and skate on the home rink here for an hour in the afternoon in the sunshine, and just hearing them skating and having fun out on the rink. And then I was sewing this, and I had the right color of binding to match it. That just made me happy. This afternoon I got to catch up with a dear friend on the phone who I haven't seen for a long time. And then as she was going to bed, my little granddaughter in Cape Breton phoned so she could read a story with me. So there was just so many little things today that I felt so grateful for. And I thought, really, that's what it is. It is being grateful for the little things. So that's what my grateful thread is today. All the little things, the moments of joy and beauty in our world, and just being able to see that. And so yeah, I'm feeling mighty grateful for today. So I'm also grateful that I got this done in time to film it. Made another day. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.